we doing slime glowing up. My sister's going to be pink. We both going to be like rainbow colors. We're going to be rainbow colors.
Rainbow glitter.
And
okay. First, we have to put glue, but here, 15 in glue. Which one is 15? Or here, okay. 15 here. I will see where is 15.
I'm going to do it quick.
It's 15. Go, Thiago. Go, Thiago. Go, 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 Thiago. Be carefully.
I can't do more.
You can. Let's go, Thiago.
You do me. Go, go, Thiago. Go, go, Thiago.
Let's go, Thiago. Let's go. Let's go, Thiago.
I need all the glue.
You have to do this.
You have to do it quick.
You want that I helped you?
Uh-huh.
Okay. Take. But let me see the 15.
But wait.
We need a little more. A little bit more. Okay. Okay, that's 15.
Okay.
Here we have 15 of glue. This one is yours. You want this one?
Mm-hmm. You want to get the other glue?
Yes. Another 15 from glue.
Another 15 for glue.
Okay.
Is there just a little bit of glue?
Okay. Now I need more.
You need more glue.
For my slime.
And you want to do it?
Yes. At the end.
Okay, we just get the top out and put
No.
it a little bit.
No, we have to be carefully.
Any help? No, any help.
Oh. I was scared. Take the cup.
It's getting a little bit more like a cupcake.
No, I don't think so.
Because look, you're doing like a cupcake. You doing
Really?
Yeah, like around and around.
I think it's okay. And here it is. Here it is.
Mine is getting more like all the way to here. Look, mine is getting all the way to here.
Wait.
You're doing it with your stick. You have to do it with your stick. It's
No,
here.
the stick is for off the slime. We need to thread it. Okay. Now, here says that we need. Here you have your water.
Thank you. We have to make it.
Wait.
Okay. Pop. Better my pop.
Okay, here's my water. Okay, wait.
A little bit more water.
We are okay. You need a spoon with this one. You are going to make the glow.
I'm going to make the rainbow one.
No, you are going to make the glow, the green one. Then we are going to put the rainbows.
Be quick. One color there. It's not going to work, I promise. It's working!
No, wait a second.
Look, it's working!
Okay. No, we are finished.
But a rainbow one for me.
Which rainbow?
I say we're going to do a rainbow one.
But rainbow is with the glitter. First. Okay.
No te dices que a ti no te gusta rosado.
No.
Entonces, ¿por qué cogiste el rosado?
Okay. Now we need 5 from slime activator.
And then we have to mix it.
Wait, we need 5. Only 5. Oh, I don't know that it was closed.
You didn't know, right?
No. First, you have to open it. Now we need 5.
Be careful with this because you have to ask your parents so you can have glue because you will get dirty, right?
Right. Now you will mix.
Be careful. It's getting slime. Oh, look! Look, look! It's getting slime.
I know, Thiago.
Ooh!
Mix it all. Mix it all.
It's getting slime. It's cool.
We have more slime. We have to mix, mix, mix. Mix, mix, mix.
Ooh, it's stretching. It's sticky, right?
Oh my god! This one is sticky.
It's sticky, right?
Yes.
We have to show this
Look
to our mom.
this.
We have to show this to our mom.
Okay, but mix it all. You have here
I have to get the slime out.
You have to mix it.
Now we can
See, Thiago, see. Oh my god. This is so awesome.
Oh!
Oh my god. Be careful. That's
Oh.
why we said that you have to be carefully.
You have to get this slime out.
Not the glitter.
Now we have to put it in. But first we have to put it in here. But first we have to get this water out. No, we have to get this water out.
I will apply the glitter.
Slime!
Say hi to our YouTube video. Ay, qué bonito. Okay, now I want this one.
I want to make rainbow one. And you?
No, I want only this one.
I'm going to be only do a rainbow one.
You see? Not this one. Have glitter. You see? Wait.
Mine.
Oh my god, wait. The glitter, you see? No. Oh my god. Okay, but it has glitter.
You can see mine because mine's going to be rainbow, right?
Okay. Be carefully. Later we are going to clean. Clean up.
Later we're going to clean up.
Okay. He's so disgusting.
It's so disgusting. It's like boogers. Can you put my glitter, please? Now we have to mix it.
The green ones. Wait.
This is not looking
No.
so good. It's really not looking so good. Oh, it's really pretty. I like this. I like this. Oh,
Oh my god.
what just happened? Oh my god. Can you see this? That's the glitter. Oh, you can look at my... Oh yeah, you can see it. Look. Can you see it? It's so pretty. It's so pretty, right? It's so pretty. But can I touch yours?
Can I touch yours, love? Oh my god, this is better than mine.
Oh my god, yours is not slime. Yours is not slime.
Yes, that's slime.
Look.
I don't know how to make slime.
It's okay, we can do it later, right? But yours is like a plate, right?
Okay, we have to say bye to our video.
Bye.
Bye, friends.